Quite an enthralling series. Now, as we continue our countdown to the upcoming IAAF World Athletics Championships in Doha, Qatar, this evening we look at the field event athletes for Jamaica who have been given genuine medal chances.
This is TVJ's Primetime Sports Road to Doha 2019.
Of the 115 medals garnered by Jamaica since the first World Championships in 1983, only a mere 5 have come from the field, with James Beckford getting long jump silver in 1995 and 2003, Trisha K. Smith with triple jump gold in 2005, Maury Smith decathlon silver in 2007, and Odain Richards with a bronze in the men's shot put in 2015. Jamaica will have 13 representatives contesting field events in Doha, with at least 4 having excellent chances of getting among the medals, according to TVJ's track and field analyst Hubert Lawrence.
There is some growth there. Dacus was 4th. He's tabbed for a silver this time. Tajay Gale wasn't quite what we have now. He's now one of the world's best long jumpers. Thomas Dodd, the shot putter, 4th last time, overtaken in the last round by Martin of Hungary to knock her out of the medals. Now she is a genuine medal threat. So I think the difference is the weather back then, but also some growth of the people who were in the team, who have some experience.
National head coach Maurice Wilson agrees with Lawrence.
We have been doing extremely well over the last couple of years in the field events, and I do expect that in the shot put for female, we should do well with that. Discus male with Dacus, and I do expect Tajay Gale to also represent himself well. Shanika Ricketts.
Live and exclusive coverage of the September 27 to October 6 IAAF World Athletics Championships will be on TVJ, TVJ Sports Network, and OneSpotMedia.com, with extensive radio coverage on Hits 92 FM.
That was TVJ's Primetime Sports Road to Doha 2019.